If your hair's been feeling weighed down, dull, or just not as clean as it should, it could be hard water or product buildup on your scalp. So this is L'Oreal Paris EverPure Clarifying Shampoo. It's sulfate free and it's specifically designed to help fight hard water exposure and styling buildup. It has 17% clarifying complex with glycine. I live in a trailer and I live in a spot that has really hard water. So this has really helped me with, I get product buildup and the double whammy of having hard water. So this has really helped me. I use it about every 2 to 3 washes. I'd say every 3 washes because my hair gets really dry. And that's the thing, you don't want to use it every single wash because it does dry out your hair. So really concentrate on getting your scalp clean, not so much my ends. Sometimes I'll put, before I wash my hair with this, I'll put conditioner on my ends so it doesn't dry it out even more. So using this has really helped me feel like my scalp is clean and it just feels just clarified. So use it, every 2 to 3 washes depending on how dry your hair is. But I really like this product. I've tried several different clarifying shampoos and this is one I keep going back to. So I hope that helps.